One has to do chain cleaning and lube after almost 300 kilometers, or when chain seems to be dry. My chain got dry due to rainfall and dust got the place to stick in. So here this is a small DIY project of chain cleaning and lubing of a bike. So let's go. Now let's see the material required for chain cleaning and lubing. Before it, first you will have to put your bike in double stand and setting the rear tire to move freely. Then you need a chain cleaner, which I'm using is WD-40, and a chain lube, and I have a chain lube of Motul, which is termed as C2. I have done unboxing of these in previous and discussed why I did not buy C1 and C2 combo pack, and instead of C1 why I purchased WD-40. You will find the link above here. So continuing our journey after chain cleaner and chain lube, we want a old toothbrush, or you can also buy the chain cleaning brush as according to your wish. In this video I have only used the old toothbrush, and we also need a old piece of cloth to remove the dirt from the chain. So let's begin with these steps. As discussed earlier, put your bike in double stand, and yes, if you don't want to get scolded for messing up the floor, please put old newspaper behind the chain so all the dirt will collect there and dirt will not fall directly in the floor. Before cleaning the chain, remove dust manually with a piece of cloth. After that, shake the can of a chain cleaner and put the nozzle in. And there is a precaution while cleaning the chain: don't put bike on gears. I repeat, don't put bike on gears as it can be dangerous for your hand. Just use neutral and rotate the tire manually with your hand. Spray the chain cleaner in each link of chain. After spraying the chain cleaner in each link of a chain, get away from the bike and put it on first gear, as by this every part of a chain comes with contact of chain cleaner. And yes, remember the precaution: don't try to clean the chain while bike is on gears. After some time, put the bike on neutral and wait for 5 to 7 minutes until the dirt settle down on newspaper. After that, take out your brush and start scrubbing the chain from all sides. Do this until you see that most of the dirt is removed from the chain. Now use old piece of cloth to remove remaining dirt from chain, and keep in mind when you see excessive dirt has collected on cloth, use different clean side of cloth to do the cleaning in efficient manner. Now after cleaning the chain completely, you will obtain the dry chain and wait for some time until it dries completely. Now you have to use chain lube. Before it, clean the other part where you have oversprayed chain cleaner. After cleaning, shake the can of the chain lube well. Remember, this is sticky and you have to carefully spray it, or you can cover other parts where it can be oversprayed, or you have to again clean those parts. In same fashion as you have sprayed chain cleaner, you have to spray chain lube, putting bike on neutral and rotating tire manually and spraying chain lube in every link of a chain. Try to focus on center part of a chain, as by this it will have good chances to get sprayed all over the chain. Do not do too much lubrication as it will attract most dust particle towards the chain. Spray it until you see the chain got wet, or you can touch the chain to get the idea of its thickness. After this, again put bike on first gear, and remember, do not touch chain while engaging bike on gears. So these were all steps to clean and lubricate the chain. After this, you can easily notice difference before and after chain cleaning and lubrication. And yep, don't forget to remove all the newspaper with dirt and clean the floor before considering the DIY as 100% complete.